fact, what is really important is to check the slack, and here we can check it, because you should find the tightest spot. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Yamaha Tracer 9 maintenance video. Some of you asked me about the chain maintenance and how I do it, and here in this video I would like to share it with you. So this is not let's say perfect. I'm not a mechanic, I'm just an ordinary guy, and I decided that I can show it to you. So basically I will talk also about the lubricating of the chain, and then in the second part of this video I'm gonna adjust the chain. So for the lubricating of the chain I use this Motul spray. This is just a chain loop factory line spray. They have many products for lubing the chain, but I found that this one, it's really sticky, and if you buy it for the right amount of money, it's really perfect. So here it's written racing and road for both types of use, I would say, and just be careful to have the factory line on this spray, and it's really sticky. You will see the white color on your chain, and in the rain conditions and also in the dry riding situations, it's really sticky. So to me, in my opinion, this is the perfect option. That's why I keep using this one right now for quite some time. And to clean the chain I use just diesel. You know, this is normal diesel inside here in the bottle, and then I put the diesel on the cloth, and I just clean everything and then wait a bit and spray it both sides, so from the left and from the right, I mean outside and inside. Basically you will need two keys 12, so 12 number 12, or one key number 12 and pliers. In my case I will use both keys. One of them you get with the bike under the seat. Then you will have to use the torque wrench too. Here it's the socket number 32, and it is going to be adjusted at 100 Newton meters. In the manual it is written that it should be 105, but as most riders are using 100 just, I am doing the same, and it is all good, it's all right. We are gonna lose this bolt. This is 32 bolt, and then we are gonna lose this bolt, this one here. This is number 12, and this is the same on the other side, bolt 12. We are gonna lose it, and then we are gonna adjust the chain using both keys, so here and here, and tighten a bit this bolt on both sides the same. And here we have the measurement, so we should check the measurement. It should be aligned on both sides the same. First of all, let's check how much we have to adjust the chain. Now the bike it's on the center stand. You can do it also on the side stand. Some do it on the center stand. Now we should find the tightest spot. We should rotate the rear wheel, and as you can see, it is all the time touching this plastic protector of the swing arm, and it needs a bit of adjustment. So not much, but a bit of adjustments.
River, tell me all your dreams align.
Firstly, you have to untighten the big bolt, so 32. Okay, and then you have to untighten this one here, so this is 12.
Tell me about the people that
The same on the other side.
who were trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry.
And now it is time to tighten it a bit. So we should look at the measurement, and here we have 1, 2, 3.5, and now it is gonna be probably at 4. So the 4th line.
Just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
Let's see right now how tight it is. Yeah, a bit better.
I wanna hear about everything you're
No,
ever thinking.
now it's a bit
Know that
too
I
tight.
can take the truth. Call me out
Let's do the same on the other side.
if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around.
I think that it is okay. And now it is time to tighten the axle. Torque 100, and let's do it.
Things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside.
This is all. This is how I do it, what I use for cleaning and lubing the chain, and how I adjust the chain. So basically you need 15, maybe 20 minutes if you are going to do it for the first time, and this is all. So you can do it on your own. Why paying, guys? Really, why paying for this? Just be careful and adjust it like it should be. Thanks for watching, guys. Do me a favor and subscribe if you wish so, and till the next one.